Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We're back to the Jigsaw channel, and today I have three beautiful girls, Naya, Charlie, and Aura. And these girls will help me make a book in line for celebration of the book week. So we have three books here. We're actually making two. One for numbers and one for a Christmas wish list. So at home, you can make whatever your children's interests are, like drawing or animals or just alphabets.
For both books, you will need 5 pieces of white paper folded in half, pictures from catalogs or the internet, one colored paper of your choice, and either a red or green paper for the Christmas wish list. Once you've made your book and stapled it together, for the number book, you can either write the numbers on each page or cut out a template of the numbers. Here, we wrote the numbers. Get your child to pick one picture to glue under number 1, then 2 pictures to glue under number 2, and so on. And here it is, your number book. The Christmas Wishlist Book. Get your child to glue what they would like for Christmas. Here, our children look through catalogs and magazines, cut out pictures, and glued it in. When they finish, you can ask your child to explain to you what gifts or toys they want for Christmas. Enjoy!
Fishes.
What do you want for Christmas, Aura?
Make a fishes.
What else is inside your book?
Make a fishes. Where's your car? Bubble. This one. This one. This one. This one.
What's that?
Trouble. Thank you for watching.